Hello everybody, I am at Stansted Airport. It was a spur of a moment decision. I have finished work at 5:30 AM and it's kind of on the way to Stansted, so I thought why not. So here I am, let's see what I catch. I know it's a Ryanair based airport, so I'm hoping to catch some other stuff too. Another Boeing 747 would be nice. Alright, what happened now? He didn't take off. Something happened. First plane of the day. I mean, you heard that roaring noise, right? One's his mate. There it is. Alright, we got one actually taken off now. Yeah, that's how it's done properly. Oh, that sun is annoying, but it is what it is. Oh, got an interesting one coming around now. Makes a change for it not to be right now. It's that thing in the distance I want to get moving. That's the Boeing 747 cargo plane. Don't know where it's going to go today or what, I have no idea. Oh, we got Jet2. Oh, another budget airline, but it's different. Oh, Turkish Airlines making its way around. There's a Turkish Airlines one. There's an EasyJet just landed. You can't really catch the landings from where we are. Yeah, that was just appeared. Oh, does it come from Southend? Boeing 747 coming in a minute or two. I'll do my best to catch it because damn it, it's a shame it's not taking off, but I'll definitely work with something. Another Jet2. Oh, another Jet. Still waiting for the 747. I think I should make an appearance very soon, which is why I wasn't quite up on the ledge as I was earlier. There it is. There's the Queen of the Skies right there. Boeing 747. Slowly moving. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Should be an easy jet plane now, Airbus A320. Yeah, should be anyway. I'll cut in when it's closer. Actually, no, actually. Yeah, we'll pop back. Got an Airbus A300 taxiing round, cargo plane. Nice. Why not? Let's catch this Ryanair one taking off as well. Oh, what's this? Lauda plane. Haven't seen that one before. Just landed, I think. I think we've got the DHL up next. The Airbus A300. There it is. Flypgs.com. Oh, it's the first one of type this morning. Just landed. It's Jet2 giving it some. Interesting. Private jet maybe? that's the end of the video, everyone. Thanks for watching, I appreciate it. If you watched and you're not subscribed, feel free to do so, because I will be going to Heathrow in the next couple of days. Probably another London airport video coming out soon, as it's on my doorstep. Yeah, again, thanks for watching, and I hope you all liked the Boeing 747 and the Airbus A300. That was a nice surprise. Alright, cheers everyone.